Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I changed my oil today in the Suburban and I was having a little bit of trouble, I thought, with resetting the change engine oil message. I followed these directions. You can read them, they're right there in front of you. And then I would turn the key off and then turn the key on and start the engine, and I was getting the message flashing again. And I was like, what the heck? So I did it 2 or 3 times, and I would still start the truck, and I'd get the message. So I shut it off. I went into my desktop computer and did a little Googling and stuff, and I found the same as this here. So I came out one more time, and I just tried starting it, and the change engine oil message was off. So apparently it takes a few seconds or a few minutes before this reset takes effect, is the only thing I can figure out, because that's all I did was I did it 2 or 3 times. I kept getting it flashing at me. I took a break, I came back, and it was gone. So go figure. Anyway, wanted to share that with you guys and gals. So if it doesn't seem to be working, but it works as this is describing it, then just take 5 minutes, go get a cup of coffee or something, and come back, and it'll probably be okay. See you later. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and take care, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.